Hey guys, this is your overview video for day 3. So what we're gonna do today is get a look at the actual tissues for the muscular system. Unfortunately, we don't have the microscopes, but we have the pictures on the internet, which are our second best thing. So what I want you to do first is go into your, or at least have your tissue study guide available. Kind of have that as a tab open on your iPad. And you're going to add in 3 more slides for your muscle tissues because there's only 3 of them. And so what I have here for you is the information to put onto the tissue slides. So I went through each of the tissues and I gave you the tissue name, the tissue type, the location, the function, and the description. And then what you'll have to do on your own then is either use these pictures that I have right here. So I have a picture of each of the types of muscles. Or if you want to find your own, you can go into Google and you can look up, skeletal muscle tissue microscope or any of the other ones. And that's all you need to do for day 3.